They are rare, powerful, and true automotive legends. Today at Rare Garage, you will discover the 10 rarest pickups in the world, from pure luxury to insane speed to movie icons. Stay until the end, because at least one of them will definitely surprise you. Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG 6x6, 2013 to 2015. Around 100 units were built by Magna Steyr. This giant has 6 wheels, portal axles, beadlock tires, and even a system that inflates and deflates the tires while driving. It is basically a Unimog in luxury version. At auctions, it has already reached 621,000 euros. Fun fact, it was originally launched for the Middle East market, where driving in the desert with luxury was the main goal. Lamborghini LM002, the Rambo Lambo, 1986 to 1993. Only 328 units were produced. It brought the V12 engine from the Lamborghini Countach into the pickup world. It was one of the first extreme luxury SUVs. Today, some examples sell for more than 450,000 US dollars. Fun fact, its fuel tank holds more than 290 liters because the fuel consumption was insane. GMC Syclone and Marlboro Syclone, 1991 to 1992. There were 2,998 Syclones in total, with only 3 built in 1992, and the special Marlboro edition had just 10 units. It came with a turbocharged 4.3 V6 engine with 280 horsepower, all-wheel drive, and did 0 to 100 in only 4.9 seconds. It could reach about 200 kilometers per hour top speed. Fun fact, at the time it was faster than many Ferraris, and even Car and Driver tested it against a Ferrari 348, and the pickup won in acceleration. Dodge Dakota Sport Convertible, 1989 to 1991. There were 2,842 units in 1989, 909 in 1990, and only 8 in 1991. It was the first modern convertible pickup built in partnership with ASC. Fun fact, many owners reported that the body had rigidity problems without a roof, but this only makes the model even rarer today. Ford F1 Marmon Herrington Ranger 4x4, 1948 to 1955. Approximately 57 units were officially converted. It was one of the very first Ford 4x4s after World War II. Fun fact, most were used on farms and heavy work, so only a few survived in good condition.
The pedal.
Land Rover Defender 110 SVX Spectre, 2015. Only 10 pickups were built for the James Bond movie Spectre. Prepared by Bowler, they had unique cinema specifications. Fun fact, some still have scratches and marks from filming, which makes them even more valuable for collectors. International XT Series, CXT and MXT, 2004 to 2008. Production was very low, with an initial goal of 200 to 300 units per year, but it never reached that. They were basically medium-duty trucks adapted for personal use. Fun fact, the step just to climb into the cabin was taller than many compact cars. Chevrolet El Camino SS 454 LS6, 1970. Estimates say between 500 and 585 units were made with the LS6 engine, producing 450 horsepower. It is considered the holy grail of El Camino. Fun fact, it used the same engine as the legendary Chevelle SS LS6, but in pickup format, mixing brutal power with unique style. Chevrolet and GMC 4x4, NAPCO, 1955 to 1959. Less than 2,000 power pack kits were installed. These kits turned normal pickups into 4x4s before the factory even offered all-wheel drive. Fun fact, today they are so valuable that many people hunt for original NAPCO parts just to restore vehicles from that era. Jeep CJ 10A, 1984 to 1986. Around 2,000 units were produced, most as airport tugs. Only a few were legalized for street use. Fun fact, many enthusiasts swapped in bigger diesel engines, making them almost indestructible. So, which one of these rarities would you like to have in your garage? Tell us in the comments. If you love discovering rare and unique cars, subscribe to Rare Garage, hit the like button, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next videos. See you next time.